Welcome to the Indiana State Board of Animal Health's VET-CVI orientation video. This video will cover using custom statements.
A nice functionality of the VET-CVI program is that there is a custom statement library that you can put statements into and easily upload them into your CVI without having to type it every single time or copy and paste it every single time. To get to your custom statement library, once you're logged in, you'll go to My Account, and at the bottom, there is a custom statement button. Once you're here, you'll notice that you've got a custom statement library for large animal as well as small animal. To add any custom statements, what you'll want to do is at the top here, you will type in your custom statement, however you would like it to fill out. If you've got statements that you are commonly using for the same state every time, what you can also do is type in that state and type in all of your statements. That way it's very easy to upload them to your different health certificates. Once you've got it how you would like, you would click Save. And now you can see that statement is down here at the bottom within my library. You can easily edit any of your statements by clicking the Edit button next to them. Once you have your edits that you would like, you'll just click Save. And you can see that edit has now been saved. You can easily copy them. So like I said, if you've got a state that you're always using the same one for, you can copy, edit, and then do that for any different states. So that way you're not copying it or typing it out every single time. And then you can also delete them by hitting the X button. You can also easily copy and paste into this statement box here. So if you have like a Word document that you've already got saved with all your statements, you do not have to type them out. You can copy and paste them into this box and then save them. When you're in the CVI creation process, you've got your custom statement box here. You can easily type and save your statements that way for this one CVI. Or if you go to the green plus button here, it then takes you to your library. So I was doing a small animal health certificate. So this has gone to my small animal custom statements library. You can click multiple statements and then click close. That will then add all of those statements here. If you have anything else that you need to add, you can just hit enter and type them in. You can also, while in the CVI creation process, add ones to your library. Then select the ones that you would need as well as your new one. Click close and it will add them that way. And that is how you can use your custom statement library to quickly upload statements into your health certificate.
Thank you for viewing this video. If you need additional assistance, check out the BOAH website.